Ladies and gentlemen, all right, today we have a dryer vent cleaning, and you can see this one here. When I arrived, these louvers, the top one was stuck and the bottom one from paint. So whenever you're going to paint the outside of the house, make sure you don't paint this so they're able to work freely like this, open and close. But you can see in there we got a mess. So we're going to take these louvers out. The way you take them out is you bend it in and it comes right out. So you want to be careful, okay? Bend it from this side because it has the, I can keep that one on. So we got a lot of stuff in there, and we're going to grab the cleaner, the brush. Okay, this brush is awesome. Got it from Home Depot. It comes with extensions, and you're going to put it on the drill. And when you use this, you're going to go in slow motion. You're not going to, hit that drill so hard and fast. You don't want to do any damage. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get inside, take the dryer away from the wall. We're going to clean the inside of it as much as we can. Then we'll turn that dryer on and make sure it's nice and clean at the end. All right? Just clean the ends of these off, okay? We'll make them nice and clean. All right, put them over here so we don't lose them. And be careful when you bend these things to take them out, you don't break those little teeth at the end. All right, you see the teeth at the end there? So we'll clean this off. I'll do a better job when I put the camera down. And then always make sure you clean up your mess. Pick that stuff up, throw it in the garbage, all right? And we're gonna get the drill hooked up, and we're gonna put this thing in there and see how much comes out. You want to try to hold the end with one hand. Okay. So if you look in, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the wall, and there's a vent system that goes down the interior of the wall, down to the dryer. So we're going to get in there and we're going to clean that out. Most likely some of this stuff fell inside. So we're going to make sure this is all clean when we're done. But if you're looking for a dryer vent cleaner tool, this is it. I'll put the link at the bottom of the description. And we're going to head inside and we're going to move the dryer now and see what we got behind the dryer. All right, we're inside. We're going to move the mat. We're going to move the power supply, and there's our dryer. It hooks up to that box I told you about that rides up the wall. Okay. We got a drop ceiling if we have to get access up there and check it. We're going to take this out. We're going to see what it looks like at the bottom. All right, you pull it out. You come back under here. And there's a clamp that holds this on. You're going to find the screw. We're going to loosen it. We're going to take this off, make sure we don't have anything built up at the bottom. And we're going to remove it from the wall and make sure there's nothing in that cavity. Take it off. You have the clamp here. You unscrew it. And look, you can see we have some buildup here in the dryer. Okay? See this? Just by reaching your hand in there. So we're going to get the brush. We're going to put it just one extension. We're going to clean that out. We're going to clean this one out. And we're going to open that up and clean that out. And then we're going to put it all back together, turn the dryer on, and she'll be good to go. great thing about this brush is it breaks down in sections, like 2-foot sections. So I'm going to put it in the dryer, and we're going to clean it out. And what you want to get, if you don't already have one, I'm sure you do, is get yourself a mini shop vac. This is my Rigid Pro Pack cuss. All right, it's not battery powered, but it does the job. Along with, yeah, you guessed it, Rigid, bro. All right, so let's get to work. Let's clean it from start to finish, and we'll be good to go. Last part is to remove this part of the hose, and we're going to see what's inside here. See if I can set this up. And I take it off. Take a look. We're going to put the hose in here, the brush, soft bristle. We're going to get this cleaned out, and we're going to put everything back together, and we're going to turn it on and check the flow outside. When you attach all your hosing back after it's cleaned, you know, wall, whatever the case may be, hit the vacuum on the floor, clean out the corners, make it nice and neat, all right? You never know, customers might want to take a look at the job, they pull it out, you know, if it's dirty, you won't get a recommendation, bro. So just keep it clean, all right? That's it. We're done, but let's put this thing back in. We're going to turn it on, we're going to go outside and test it, make sure it's flowing nice. So you turn the dryer on, you head back out, and you can see all the stuff that came out. All that was extra, all right? All right, so we got good flow. It's coming out. It's nice and clear in there if you can see it. All right, we got all this that came out. More. Pick it up. I know it's a pain in the neck. Pick it up. Pick up as much as you can. And then take the mulch and kind of spread it around, because that stuff will deteriorate when next time it rains. Make it look neat. That's it. Dryer vent cleaning is complete. All right, so that's it. Quick, easy dryer vent cleaning. Start from either the dryer, depending on where the vent's located. If it's on the second floor and you need a ladder, you know, you might be able to do it all from the inside. But again, it's good to get both ends. All right, I got to go back, get my shop vac. Let the customer know she's all finished. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. Let me get in here. Check over here, make sure there's no leaks. Okay. That's it. That's all she wrote. And we'll catch you on the next one. There you go, Sonny. Sonny? Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?